Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will learn how to manage your video collections and all the related options on Automate.video. Collections are used to group your videos so that you can share them with one link. One nice feature is that collections come with their own video landing page. Just like a personal YouTube. These landing pages are very easy to customize with a system of block. In this video, we will see some of the possibilities of this system. Let's begin. First, after you log into your account on Automate.video, you can access your Collections tab right here in the menu on the top of your screen. On this tab, click on the plus button to create your first collection. You can give it the name you want and add multiple existing videos into the collection. Just click on the Add Project to Collection icon and then select all video projects you want to add. Then click on Update. You can also create a collection and add a video to a collection from the Project tab. Click on the button Add Project to Collection, a pop-up window will appear. If you have already created a collection, it will appear on the left. Select the collection you want the video to be added in, and click Update. If you want to create a new one, enter the name of the new collection in the text field on the right and then, click Update. Now let's take a look at how you can customize the landing page. To edit a landing page, click on the red button at the bottom of your collection. Each collection comes with a specific web page, called a landing page, that you can fully customize. When you are logged in, you will automatically enter the page in edit mode. When your modifications are done, don't forget to click on the Publish button at the top right of the screen to save your changes. Editing is done through a very simple system of blocks, such as text blocks, video blocks, spacer blocks, and many more. You can modify each block directly on this page. Each block can have a different background, content, and description. For example, you can modify the title of the page or add a text paragraph to the page. Now this landing page can be shared with your viewers through a link the same way you share a single video. On the landing page, you can add more than your video projects. It is a real page editing system. For example, you can add an external YouTube or Vimeo video to your landing page. For that, click on the plus icon to add a new block, then click on Video at the bottom of the list. Then copy and paste the link of the video. The video will then appear on your page. Don't hesitate to move blocks by clicking first on the Move Blocks button at the right of the screen. You can use the arrows on each block to move them, or drag the block and drop it where you want. If you add new video projects to your collection, the landing page is not automatically updated so that you don't lose your formatting. To import the newly added videos, and remove the ones that have been deleted, use the Sync Video List from Collection button. This will automatically add new video projects at the bottom of the landing page. You can then move them and customize your page accordingly. To see the landing page as a viewer would, click on the Preview button on the right of your screen. Again, don't forget to click on Publish to save your changes. That's it. There are many more features related to collections, like monetization, that we will cover in another video. Thank you for following this tutorial. We hope you enjoyed it. Go to www.automate.video to sign up and start creating your videos.